Hi, this is Michael Lane with Evidence for Faith, and if I got something exciting I want to share with you. How would you like to come with me down to the Florida Keys and learn marine biology as a class, as a course? That if you're homeschooled, this is a lab course that you can get credit for. If you're in public school, it's very possible you could get credit for that also. I'm wanting to take 30 students down to the Florida Keys to a little island called Little Torch, and we will study marine biology there. We have a specially made book for this program, which I wrote myself. We have a lab book. Yes, it's a class. A typical day, we start about 8 o'clock in the morning. We have a big breakfast, which we all eat together. Then we break up in small groups with a bunch of teachers and chaperones, and we go out and explore different areas on the reef and around our areas. And we do this. We also go to a place called Aquarium Encounters where we get to hand feed fish. We eat a big meal together in the evening, and then we also have a time of praising and worshiping God. I mean, can you think of a better way to worship God than being out in His environment instead of some concrete building or something? This is awesome, surrounded by God's environment. Hey, check out our website. We do these trips in April. Check out our website. Come with us on this next trip. You won't regret it. It's the most awesome thing you'll ever do, having to do with education. Take care, and may God bless.